The smartphone in your pocket syncs to atomic clocks, never losing a fraction of a second. For a device that costs less than $1,000, it provides a level of precision that makes the multi-thousand-dollar mechanical watch appear logically obsolete. Yet the market for these mechanical objects continues to break records. In 2019, a one-of-a-kind stainless steel Patek Philippe, the Grandmaster Chime, sold at auction for $31 million. At this level of valuation, watches function as wearable works of art and appreciating financial assets. Understanding why these objects command such fortunes requires looking past modern celebrity culture. The real value lies in a 300-year history of Swiss watchmaking. These price tags represent the current state of a 3-century-long effort to perfect the mechanical movement, built on an uninterrupted chain of engineering breakthroughs. That effort began in 1735. In a small Swiss village, Jean-Jacques Blancpain established the workshop that would become the world's oldest continuous watch manufacturer. By 1755, the firm Vacheron Constantin was pushing the internal mechanics further. They developed the first known complications, additional layers of gears that allowed a single watch to track the day and date alongside the time. This increasing mechanical complexity turned timepieces into the ultimate luxury for the European ruling class. In 1775, Swiss watchmaker Abraham Louis Breguet opened a Parisian shop to serve this growing aristocratic demand. Breguet's most famous work was a pocket watch commissioned for Queen Marie Antoinette. It was designed to contain every mechanical function known to 18th century science, requiring 40 years of labor to finish. During this era, watchmakers transitioned from village mechanics into highly sought-after engineers, as the mastery of complex gears became a primary status symbol for the elite. In the 19th century, the craft began to scale. Georges-Auguste Lachot introduced the standardization of movements into calibers, allowing the industry to move toward repeatable, high-precision manufacturing. In 1833, Antoine Lecoultre focused the industry on extreme miniaturization. He worked to shrink these complex internal components while maintaining their reliability. To achieve the necessary precision, Lecoultre invented the millumètre. It was a foundational tool capable of measuring a single micrometer, ensuring that even the smallest gears interacted without friction. While Lecoultre focused on the gears, Patek Philippe, founded in 1839, focused on the experience of the owner. They wanted to make the pocket watch easier to live with. This led to the invention of the winding crown, replacing the cumbersome external metal key. The new mechanism integrated the winding directly into the case. A few turns of the knob now seamlessly engaged the internal gears, making daily use effortless. By miniaturizing these movements and making them user-friendly, Swiss innovators prepared the watch for worldwide adoption. But to become truly universal, the watch still needed to survive the elements. In 1905, German entrepreneur Hans Wilsdorf arrived in a bustling industrial London. He realized that the traditional pocket watch was too vulnerable to the dust and vibrations of modern city life. Wilsdorf founded Rolex and pivoted the entire industry toward the wristwatch. He understood that placing a timepiece on the wrist required a new level of physical protection to keep the movement safe. Rolex achieved this definitive breakthrough in 1926 with the introduction of the Oyster, the world's first fully waterproof watch case. Older Swiss brands followed this shift toward durability. In 1953, Blancpain released the 50 Fathoms, a diver's watch built to maintain its accuracy in the high-pressure environments of the deep sea. By the mid-20th century, the watch transitioned from a fragile accessory to a durable survival tool and a universal symbol of professional achievement. Today, digital screens have replaced the functional necessity of the mechanical watch. We are surrounded by perfect automated timekeeping on every device we own. A vintage Rolex Precision is a tactile survivor, a physical record of a craft that persisted despite the arrival of digital screens. Owning one of these pieces means owning a specific fraction of a 300-year historical lineage that has never been broken. This creates a sharp contrast with modern technology. While smart devices are built with rapid obsolescence in mind, a mechanical movement is designed for multi-generational permanence. In a world of disposable electronics, the accumulated engineering heritage and sheer human effort required to build a Swiss masterpiece give it a value that transcends the simple act of telling time.